Hazur, Mr. Sharif Judy, who is an Algerian.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Please.
Fortunately, the question is, what is the language of Jannah, heaven?
It's not Hebrew.
The question. I was talking about language in the hereafter. I mean the Jannah and the Nar.
You see, the language in the hereafter is very difficult to explain unless you say it would be Arabic. Because it's difficult to say because there are millions of people who do not know any Arabic and who would be admitted to heaven. So how would they express themselves? In my opinion, that expression is only that of the souls, which is related without words. So, whatever name you give that language, it is the language of the heart which is transferred to another heart, or language of the mind which is transferred to in another mind. Parapsychology has made some advances in this, and they have proved that human thinking can be transferred without any language to another person who does not know that language. For instance, they have experimented that some person, English-knowing person, should think of something and concentrate on thinking that to convey the message to a Japanese friend of his who is also psychic in this sense and who can receive the message according to parapsychology. So he knows only Japanese, but he would understand that. And they have put this to test in so many ways. So in my opinion, the language in the heaven would be something of that nature where minds and hearts will convey themselves to the others. Otherwise, of course, there are hundreds of languages in the world and languages extinct as well, so many. How would they confer with each other in the heaven if not so? Thank you.